Hey, this is Slap Out Lush Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about under eyes. Yes, again, we're tackling the under eyes. I found a new product and I want to show it to you. I'm really loving it. So come on with my bare face and let's go try it out. One thing I want to remind you is go ahead and do your eyeshadow first before you do anything else to your face, because we're working on this area here today, the wonderful bags. And I don't want any fallout, so that's why I go ahead and do my eyes first. So make sure you do that. So I went ahead and added some of this RMS in the color 11, and I did it like to the center of my face because I like for it to be a highlight. And before I do my foundation, I'm going to put this product on. So here it is. Hunting it, hunting it, hunting it, girlfriend. Look at this. Oh, how many of y'all have heard of this or used this? Never. I've never. I read it and I'm like, okay, I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a shot. It's a really pretty bottle too. I mean, it's glass, I guess. It feels like glass. It's kind of heavy. But it's called Autocorrect. It is by Sunday Riley. I love it. I do. And I've shown it on my Younique by Melissa page. And I don't know if any of the ladies have gotten it yet. But it's just a cream like that. But it helps to depuff. It really does work. And I just kind of am blown away by it. I really am. And I found it in Ulta. You can get it in Ulta. So put just a little bit and take your fingers and just dab it in. Now you're going to have to let it absorb into your skin, because that's the key. And from me just having it, I've had this product about, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. And I've been using it. And I really do love the way it lasts all day. And I thought, wow, okay, I've got to share this because it's so important with our crazy under eyes as we age. Now, what this does, it kind of depuffs is what it does. That's its job. And that's what I needed, okay? So I've got to let this settle before I do anything else. I am going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm going to use Younique's foundation today. And this is the serum foundation. It's so pretty. But I did add a little bit of the RMS already to the center of my face. Okay, so let me go and finish up my face. And we're going to come back and see what we got. And then we're going to apply one of my favorite concealers. Okay, so this has been sitting a while. Now I have allergies, so I'm in puffy. But this is going to make it all better. So I think I'm going to use this Dermatology one. I really like it the most. This is the color medium. And this one is the color light in Gone with a Swipe. If you've never seen Gone with a Swipe, see that little core center? That's your concealer, and then it's got a color corrector built in around it. Well, this one has it all in one too. But this one is just a little bit more creamy for me, and I really like Dermatology. So all you got to do is just press down, and you're going to see some of it come out right there. Now, typically, you could just spot it on there. But what I like to do is take just a little bit and place it where I think I need it. You don't have to do everything. So here, I have this bag. On this side, allergies. On this side, see how this one's just smoothed out a lot more? It's always my right side. Why is that? That I get so frustrated with. And we're all going to be frustrated with something. I know it. Ugh. Life in general, right? But aging is not for the faint of heart. It's just not. You just got to learn how to accept it, I guess. And so what I'm trying to do is come underneath where that bag is. There's no help for that one. This side is perfect. So what I'm going to do is I like to use my fingers first. I think it's probably the best tool. You can, if you don't like that, you can use a brush, something like this. This is Angie's A506 little contour brush for your under eyes. And what I like to do, though, is to use my fingers. I think my fingers are my best asset. I don't have to press down as much. It's very lightly blended out. When in doubt, blend it out. This side is always the hard side for me. Always. This is the eye that waters the most with my allergies. Now, once fall gets here, all of that will kind of go away. It's just the summertime. It's the pollen that I'm allergic to. Yay. How many of you can relate to that? You get up and one eye's swollen and one eye's not. Yeah. So, I really love this product. I really love this. I really like this. I think it's not a permanent fix, but if you're waking up like me and you've got the big puffy eyeballs, it does help with that. It does. And the one thing I found wearing it out through the day is that it doesn't move. Once you've got it on, it's there. It's not going to go anywhere. The one thing I want you to do, though, is take your magnification mirror, and I know we all hate those things, but pull this out, and if you see anything settling, like right there, you see that? I'm going to take my pinky and just lightly push it out. There, it's not settling. Let me look at this side. Let's do the same thing. I got two sides, so let's do both the same. Okay, there we go. I think that's going to work perfect. Oh, wow. I love the way this brightens up my face, too, because it does have that quality in it as well. I was looking at it going, wow, this has got some really good stuff in it. It has caffeine in it. It also has, is it Lutein? Did I say that right? I don't think so. And it has horse chestnut. I've never heard of that, so I'm not really sure about that product, so that they added to it, but I do love the way this feels. And once I'm pushing on this, I don't feel any more liquid, feeling coming out of my eyes, which is a good thing. But we do want to set this, and I do want to use my Tarte, what's left of it. I don't have a whole lot. So, oh, yay, I got some on the lid. It's the little things. All right, let me tap this in here. And I just tap it. I just use a little eyeshadow brush. I think this is BK Beauty's 201. I think that's what it says. And I like to press it down into the top. And then just lightly go over it. You don't use a whole lot. But this is Tarte Pink Loose Setting Powder is amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. I would dare say that I love it. And I love the brightening quality of it. I'm just going to take some and put it on this side too. And just be light. Because I've noticed, once I use this product and then I apply my concealer really grabs and holds and stays really nicely. And so there's something about it. I'm just not sure what. But I do love, see how brightening this side is? This side is just allergies. So that's just the way it's going to be. Until I go take my medicine, and then that will go away. So Lucia's going to take her medicine here when she gets off. So that it won't be like that. But this side, see how brightening that is? I just love it. Absolutely love it. I think you will love it too. But it's auto-correct. And remember, now this is glass, so don't drop it. That would be a disaster. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I hope I can bring you things of value. But I've been using this product for quite a while now. It's been probably at least maybe 3 months, if that. Maybe, I haven't had it very long, but I do love the way it helps my under eyes not be so bad. So I hope you give it a try. I really do. And I will see y'all next Sunday. I'm here on Sundays only. And I love it when you come hang out with me. So I will see y'all soon. See you later, girlfriends.